How we saved Max. Meet Max, a brave little dog, found alone and scared on the streets. Our team at Paws Rescue swung into action. We provided Max with food, warmth, and medical attention. His spirit began to shine through, warming our hearts. Days turned into weeks. Max's transformation was miraculous. He learned to trust again, to play, to love. Then came the day we all waited for, Adoption Day. A loving family came forward, embracing Max as their own. Paws Rescue, where we don't just save animals, we create families. Together, let's give every Max a second chance.